In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a T-chart strategy. And I'm going to use a separate start unknown problem, which is a problem that most students struggle with, especially at the beginning. So a separate start unknown problem would be like A subtract 74 equals 58. And all a T-chart is you draw a T, and then you'll write your equations within the T. I'll show you here in a second. But whenever we do a separate start unknown problem, most students want to subtract automatically because they see that subtraction symbol. But what we've talked about in class is if this were a word problem, so let's say I had some candy, and then my brother comes along and eats 74 pieces of my candy. Now I'm left with 58 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did I start with? Well, the only way to figure out what I started with is to take what my brother ate and what I have left over and add them together. So my equation will change to 74 add 58 equals A. And so I'm going to start with 74. And I'm going to add 58 into chunks. So I'm going to add 10, and that'll be 84. Add another 10, that's 94. Another 10, that's 104. Then I'm going to add 20, that's 124. And I've already added 50, so all I have left is 8, but I want to make this into a friendly number, so I'm going to add 6, which will get me to 130, and then I'll add 2, and that'll get me to 132. So 132 is my answer, so I'll write A equals 132. Now, what I talk to all my students about is checking their work, and they can take 132 and put it where A is and do 132 subtract 74 and see if they come out with 58 to check their answer.